A woman is more than some curves in a dress. Nerves is on edge, purse and her lips on her worst and her best day. Verses is meshed with some curse words and sex play. Learning early that the world mad depressing, and we just play along like, listen what this verse say. Book of Genesis, Eve was.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The name is Becky, and if it's your first time of passing by, you're welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just take 1 minute, no, 1 second and subscribe. Go subscribe right now. I'll be waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, welcome back. Have you done that? Good. Thank you for doing that, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. I love you guys. And share this video, give it a thumbs up if you like, and thank you for always coming back to watch me. I just want to first of all say Merry Christmas to you all. Yes, Merry Christmas. How did it go? How did your Christmas go? Mine went well. I did a lot of things. I cooked, I baked, I fried, I grilled, I did everything all at once. But thank God it's over. Like, the big day is over, and we're looking on seeing the New Year Eve and celebrate it as well with our loved ones. So that's the next step. But anyway, the New Year is just like a normal day. But today I am going to be unboxing my Christmas gift. Yes, that is what this video is all about. So I'm going to start with the smallest of them all, and we can just have a chit chat about it. So first, I'm going to be going with the smallest. What's the smallest item here? Okay, I got this too. I think I'll go with this one first. So I'm going to be unboxing this. Let's see what we got inside. Definitely, I know it's perfume because the shade gift just sold it all. So I got this La Perla perfume. You can see. So this is my first ever. My first ever unboxing gift. So this La Perla perfume is what I got for Christmas. So I got this. Now let's move on to the second item. So guys, you can tell me, what do you get for your Christmas, and how did your Christmas go? How did you celebrate it? I hope you had a lot to eat. I had a lot to eat. In fact, first of all, I was so not in the mood of eating. I guess after cooking, all the cooking and everything, I wasn't feeling eating at all. But I was drinking. I took a lot of drinks. I took some orange juice. I took some wine. So I just kind of mixing it. Water. I drank a lot of water as well. I drank a lot of water. I think I was dehydrated from the stress that I got during preparation. Because Christmas is like a big day. Everybody's looking up to it, waiting to, you know, just like what's going to be, what's going to happen, how is it going to be. But at the end, it's always the same. You just have a lot to eat without even having appetite to eat it. So now let's unbox my second gift. Let's see what's here. Bio Mascarina. It's a mascara, face mascara. Bio is a Bio face mascara. I got this is a Bio face mascara. Thank you. So this is it, my second item, and I'm going to be unboxing it. So my Christmas, I had fun because I had a few family members coming around, so it was fun. And we had a lot to eat. Even presently now, as I'm talking to you, I still have a lot of food in my kitchen piled up that we didn't eat. And I didn't eat, like, I ate a little though. I just took a taste of what I cooked in order to, you know, eat, because I was having guests around. I couldn't say I won't eat while they're there. Oh guys, okay, yeah, I got this. So guys, I was just talking and talking. I forgot to open this for us to see what's inside. So, but you can see from the picture already what I got. So I'm just going to unboxing it and opening it to see what's inside, so we can just, you know, digest it. A complete package. Okay, so this is it. I got a shaving blade. So this is the blade that I got for shaving. You know, your lady, you need to shave those excess hair coming from, you know, all places. So this is the charger, and these are the top blade. What's that? Okay, this is the top blade, like the packet of the cover or something, I don't know. But this is what I got, guys. So isn't this cute? It's so cute. Oh my god. So I had a lot of things to cook, and I wanted to cook a lot of things, like have different varieties on my table, you know, like having a buffet, like you just have different food. And I tried to do that in my own capability, and I think I did well. The food came out great, and do you know, to crown it all, it was delicious. They all keep saying, oh Becky, this food is delicious, like they ate it. First of all, talking about my lasagna. My lasagna was delicious. It was creamy, not very like creamy, but it was like moderate. The taste, the salt, everything was on point. Even when I tasted it, guys, you need to taste my lasagna. If you haven't eaten my lasagna made by me, Becky Nat style, then you're missing. So moving on to the gift. Yes, we're still on the gift. We are not on CHECH chat, but I'm just gonna talk to you about my Christmas while I am unboxing this lovely gift that I'm having. So let's see. It's a shoe, guys. Wow, I got this shoe. This is I didn't always say I was going to get. Definitely Hobby bought me this one. This came from Hobby. Oh, almost all of them, all my gifts came from Hobby. So Hobby got me this. What's the name? Like, guys, look at this is it. Like, so moving on to the next item, but first let me take my Brodini. You know what's Brodini? This is Brodini. Brodini di torta. Brodini di torta. Torta means a cake, but I don't know what Brodini means. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat it. It's an Italian name. Okay. Now let's go to the next item. What do I have here? Okay. This one. I have this bag. Let's just open it. Let's open it. Definitely, it's perfume. Okay, wow. It's well packaged. Okay. What do we have inside? Okay, nothing. So guys, this is what I got. I'm just gonna open it so I show it to you guys. We can see what is in this lovely package that is so tied up. Oh, it's sparkling. Oh, my dress is all full with sparkling. Oh my god. But look at it, guys. Anyways, wow. Scandal by John Paul. It's a perfume. Scandal. And inside is also there's a cream. What cream is this? The light. Oh my god. Body lotion. Yeah, I also got a body lotion in this box. Body lotion and a perfume. Scandal. John Paul perfume. So thank you so much, Hobby. Oh my god, you're the sweetest, you're the greatest. Like, thank you. Like, the shoe. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm so happy I got this. Okay, now moving on to the next item. We're opening this one. my hair. This hair is really okay. Let me put it on. Okay, I got this. Now this should be my thumbnails. Should I make a thumbnails with this? Let's see. With all these gifts around me. Where are they? Okay, let me use this. With all these gifts around me. Let's see how it goes. Thumbnails. I'm kidding. I don't know. I still don't know. But let's just see. This is so smooth. Oh my god. Oh, it's so soft. Thank you so much. I needed this. And it looks cheeky. It looks soft. How do I look on it, guys? How do I look on this? But it's really soft. It's really soft. And it's not hard. The hair is not hard. It's so soft. Like I can literally, run my hand into it. It's really soft, guys. So let's move on. Do we still have any other? Okay, I think this is the last one, guys. This is my last gift. This is the last one. So what do we got? What do we have here? Oh my god, what do we have here? It's a big animal skin what? It looks big. What is this? It's so heavy. It's really like, guys, look, it's so heavy. What's gonna be in here? Wait, what do you think is gonna be inside this? Like, oh, I can't, like, it's really heavy, guys. Okay, let's open. Let's not talk too much. Let's just open and see. Oh, okay. Oh my god! I got a jacket, a winter jacket. Now I see. Now where's the shoe? Oh my god, guys, look at with this shoe. It goes with the shoe, guys. Look at it. It's really like too much. Like I think I feel this vibe. Oh my god. Okay, guys. We're going to be doing a review on it, guys. Okay, I can't wait to try this on, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be calm. So let's talk like a civilized person. This jacket is a dolly. Oh my god. And it's so soft, guys. It's so soft. No, let me not give you too much tips. Let me not give you guys too much tips on this. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe. You better subscribe. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. You better go subscribe to my channel. Guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for staying with me and watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, like I said before, you better go subscribe. You better go subscribe. And if you love things about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, then this is the right place for you to be. Subscribe to Baking Out Style. Now, click on the red button now. Do that. Now, okay. Now we're good. Great. See you in my next video. Bye.
Look, woman is more than some curves in a dress. Nerves is on edge, purse and her lips on her worst and her best day. Verses is meshed with some curse words and sex play. Learning early that the world